My friend came back from Taiwan. She got me a bag of goodies and we are gonna rake them together. First thing we got are these chips. It looks like it's truffle and potato. Okay, let's see. Really crispy. They're pretty good. Next thing she got were these. I think these are brown sugar with ginger. So I'm gonna actually use this for the tea that she bought me. Ooh, rice cracker. These are rice cracker chips. Ooh, I think I had these the other day when I was at her house. Right, let's test it out. Ooh, look how cute these are. Crispy and delicious. Next up, we got sugar and spice. It looks like it's candy. Let's see. Ooh, it is candy. I tried to figure out what the name is. I actually don't know, but I'm going to test it. It's like a hard, chewy candy. Not too sweet. And there's nuts in it. It's actually really good. Next thing we got is a black sesame. Okay. Let's see what this tastes like. Oh. Okay, this is interesting. It's not too sweet. Very sesame. It just feels like it just tastes like a, I would say like, it's not gummy. Has a bit of chew. I don't even know how to describe this. But this is pretty good. Next off, we got cookies. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, it's so pretty. It's in the shape of a heart. Okay, Roselle cookie. I think it's a strawberry flavor. Very tasty. Definitely, I would get this again. Next up, we got this. Not sure what it is. Let's open this. Oh, interesting. Oh, crackers. Banana waffle cookies. Okay. Let's open this. This is what it looks like. This is pretty good. I'm not a big fan of banana, but this is good. It's not too sweet. I think that's everything. I think my favorite would probably be this. I don't even know what it's called, but it's really good. And I really like this banana waffle. It's crispy, it's semi-sweet. And I really like the filling inside, even though I'm not a big fan of banana. Okay, bye!